Good morning everyone. Today we are going to talk about why sensory play is important for a child's development. At Nagin Group of School, we take utmost care for the development of a child. Importance of sensory play for early age. From their birth, children explore their senses and process new information. They begin to make sense of the world around them as they grow through the exploration of new texture, material and resources. This is a valuable way of engaging children in activities that will enhance their senses and enrich their learning. Benefits of sensory play. We often talk about 5 sense organs. These are tastes. The stimulation that comes when our taste receptors react to chemicals in our mouth, for example, sour and sweet. By doing this activity, children will understand the difference between sour and sweet taste. For this activity, we will be using lemon and sugar. Now, I will keep lemon and sugar in separate bowls and I will call individual child to taste the lemon and ask the child whether the taste is sour or sweet. Activity 2. Smell. The stimulation of chemical receptors in the upper airways, nose, for example, good and bad smell. By doing this activity, the children will understand the difference between good and bad smell. For this activity, we will be using a flower and socks. Now, I will keep flower and socks on the table and ask the child to pick any one thing and smell it and tell whether it is a good or bad smell. Activity 3. Touch. The stimulation that comes from touch receptors in our skin that react to pressures or vibration, for example, hot and cold. By doing this activity, children will understand the difference between hot and cold. Now, I will keep a bowl of hot water and cold water on a table. Then I will ask the child to touch and feel which one is hot and which one is cold. Activity 4. Hearing. The function of the sound mechanics in our inner ear, for example, high and low volume. High and low volume, by doing this activity, the children will understand the difference between high and low sound. Now, teacher will put the volume high and the child will hear it and tell whether it is high or low volume. Then the teacher will turn the volume low and the child will answer accordingly. Activity 5. Sight. The stimulation of light receptors in our eyes in which our brain then interpret into visual images, for example, dark and light. Visual learning help our kids discriminate between size, color and shape. In this activity, the child will close the eyes with a blindfold and then they will be asked to discriminate between the dark and light. The students develop their body awareness, sensory activities, facilitate exploration and naturally encourage students to use scientific process while they play, create, investigate and explore. The brain creates stronger connection to process or respond to sensory information. Taste, smell, touch, hearing, sight.